lean forward and get a better shot.
I'm not trying to. I'm videotaping.
The lady's got like her racing position.
Well, she had her racing position. She's ready. I know. Yep, carts everywhere. Employees. Look at this chaos, dude. Here's our cart way up there. Oh yeah, time to shop. It's an abandoned wasteland.